We're going back to Arizona. We almost made it to Texas. We just had a thing pop up on the truck to check the wiring to the trailers.
We really kind of screwed ourselves with the gas mileage for not only gas, but death. I've got to feed this monster over here before she just shreds me apart. Made it back to Arizona. Boy, what an adventure it's been so far. I don't know how we found this place, and I don't know how it's not marked.
Yeah.
And I'm almost afraid to share it.
Hi, we're Katie and Brian. Not your average couple, that's for sure. After 30 years of tattooing and a career as a mortician who saw the world change after COVID, we realized life was slipping by, so we made a change. First, a sailboat to chase the horizon, and now a fifth wheel. We're living life on a budget, chasing freedom, and doing things our way. This is the No Tomorrow Project, our ongoing adventure to live differently, explore boldly, and make every day count. So join us as we learn along the way. It was beautiful and perfect this morning, just as the weather predicted. We're getting the edge of that storm.
It does look like we're going to be able to start heading east. With that in mind, we've really had to contemplate because gas prices have just exploded, as everybody knows.
So, should we tell the people where we're heading now? We're going back to Arizona!
Woohoo!
We know what you're thinking. Arizona? That's not heading east like you planned. Why are you turning around? Well, you're right, we got some explaining to do. Basically, we pivoted because our guts were screaming at us to turn our butts around. When we both get that bad intuition about something, we have learned to listen to it. We almost made it to Texas. We just had a thing pop up on the truck to check the wiring to the trailer, so Brian just hopped out to do that now. And we're right by the Welcome to Texas sign.
I'm gonna have you go to the back, check the lights. I'll turn the signals on and everything.
Okay. It was very dusty and stuff, so maybe just some debris got in the plug. We're not sure. Alright, so all the wires are working and they're fine, so maybe it just jiggled weird for a second. Alright, let's go to Texas. And then to Arizona.
We really kind of screwed ourselves with the gas mileage coming out of the New Mexico area. We should have had no problem getting to the gas station for not only gas, but death. A half hour ago, it showed me that we had 444 miles of death left, and now it says 0. So it's going to be limiting our speeds in. And we have 49 miles to go until we get to the gas station.
What an adventure.
Ooh.
We didn't even know we were going to be traveling today till 4 hours ago.
I didn't think this would ever be anything that we would be worrying about until now.
Normally we fill up when we are just half a tank down or half a tank full. We don't let the gas tank get this empty ever. And we typically top off on depth frequently as well. This is new for us. We're learning what our truck does when it's low on all of its liquids. She's a little dehydrated.
Well, let me see how many miles I can get. We got 24 to go.
Well, we'll pick you guys up whether we pull off to the side of the road and take you for a walk to the gas station, or if we
made it. We made it.
We made it, and it was the sketchiest pulling, so I'm gonna show you guys if we're touching the ground with our butt.
489.
The trailer hitch is on the ground.
Yeah, there it is. We might have to actually back up to get out of here.
It's scraped like 2 feet, so I don't know if backing up is gonna... What would be better? I don't know.
We've been on the road for a total of 4 hours, and I've got to feed this monster over here before she just shreds me apart.
Oh, my alien is showing. I need to put on my makeup to cover my alien scales.
I can't tell you how much I love rest stops. Even though they're a little bit loud, they really come in handy. And last night, after driving, I think we drove 6 hours. It was nice to just be able to crawl into bed and crash out. It's loud, but it still works. We're gonna make some breakfast and hit the road.
You know that moment in time after you change plans? Really big plans, what you will be doing for the next year of your life plans, and you start to get that feeling of doubt with a splash of questioning all your life choices. You start to overthink all the possibilities. This was that moment for us. But little did we know, life had more adventure waiting for us around the corner.
Well, I believe if there's any doubt that towing full, definitely not the best way to go. Even though we got pretty good gas mileage coming back into Arizona, 11.9, but I will say I was drafting some big rigs for maybe a good 60, 80 miles, so yeah, that helps a lot.
Okay. Oh, did you want a pillow behind your back? Do you like my hat? Comes with a caterpillar. I'll put that there.
We made it back to Arizona, and boy, what an adventure it's been so far. Plans don't always come through. True? Through. Plans don't always happen. We won't get into everything this video. We're going to do another video on that here next. So make sure to like and subscribe and catch that one because there's some stuff going on. We were going to adventure across the U.S. this season to visit some places that we've never been. And with gas prices on the rise and the war not stopping, we've adjusted plans.
Yeah, so heading east, we were gonna splurge a little bit and stay in a couple campsites because there's void areas where there's not much boondocking. There are a lot of one-night spots, but some areas we wanted to check out more, which meant we would have to get a campsite or RV park. That money we were going to spend on that is now basically being spent on the new gas prices. Gas is not nearly as expensive here as it is elsewhere. We know Arizona and the Southwest pretty well. There's boondocking everywhere. There are options. The weather is more stable here. We don't have to try to outrun hailstorm, tornado warnings, or hurricanes and stuff like that, where we originally wanted to go, which was kind of an escape plan. Like, okay, we'll keep an eye on the weather and we can always just drive towards safety. You know, obviously that would be worth it, but expensive to do.
Yeah, and we know we can stay for free all around this state, which I'm still not sure about when the heat arrives for the mid-months. We could still go up into the mountains and cut down on the heat up there.
Yeah, I think someone commented move to Flagstaff.
Yeah.
So I was like, well, we will for a little bit. So we'll see you soon. Let us know a good donut shop in Flagstaff.
Does that mean we're getting donuts?
We did stay in Arizona a little bit last year. We did not explore a lot. We were more waiting around for warranty work and just getting things done. So there is so much potential in Arizona for things that we have not seen. We have not RV'd. We have not explored. So I'm not completely bummed about it. I just thought that we were going to be doing this over the course of like 5 winters, and we might just be doing it all in 1 year.
Yeah.
So theme of the video, not the way we planned.
You can't always just be stuck on your plan and run yourself into the ground financially or otherwise. You know, on a limited budget, we thought this would be the best plan of attack for us. One of the things that we love and that Arizona has is there's several lakes, Colorado River, which currently is right outside our friggin' window here. We could do that for the rest of the summer and see what gas prices do then. That might turn out to be prime. So I've read a lot of people, really kind of changing their plans like we are as far as how much they're going to travel in their motorhomes and fifth wheels, and everybody's affected. So if you're one of them, you're not alone. There's tons and tons of people.
And if you still want to get out there and adventure in your RV, we do have videos about boondocking and tips here and there. I have a whole category list on Patreon where they're all there in one area. So if you're used to going to a campsite and having hookups and you want to venture out more, we have some tips to make it easier for you guys.
They're kind of the everyday tip to really kind of help out, help extend your water, help some comfort with towing, as well as finding some places to camp out. Because I don't know how we found this place, and I don't know how it's not marked.
Yeah.
And I'm almost afraid to share it.
Yeah, it's not marked on iOverlander.
My guess is this is a local spot.
I mean, it's a boat ramp. It's a natural local boat ramp, so I think that it's not really where people camp too often. We saw a couple people come in here for day use, and there's plenty of other parking spots. So if 10 people wanted to drop their boats and park, plenty of room.
Our Patreon right now is free for everyone to join and be a part of. And we're going to start keeping our list of coordinates that we boondock on there. The link will be down below. And I think I'm going to try and put up a QR code. You could scan that, get to the link, and find out all the places we've been, all the places we are.
Not all of them are gems.
No, which means I'm going to have to start rating them.
Yeah.
I originally did that, and I haven't, so I think I'm going to have to start doing that again.
Okay, when we first started rating them, we probably had about 15 rated. And it was a good system. We figured it out. We were rating them. And then we came to a couple spots that were so phenomenally amazing that I remember you had to go through and you had to ding everyone down another star. It just set a new standard for it. So it's,
yeah.
The rating situation's hard.
We didn't really have anything to base it off other than, beaches that we sailed to. So when we saw places that were empty and nobody was there and it
was free.
It was flat and free. Like it was a 5-star. So and then we found some others and those went 5 and the other ones went 4s and 3s. So maybe I'll try and go back through the ones that I remember and we'll rate those as well.
We do have a top 5 places that we stayed for the whole year of 2025. That is up on Patreon. And somewhere in our YouTube videos as well. Yeah. If you're into boondocking, they're definitely worth checking out. Lessen the expense of getting out there would be nice, right? Yeah, it's a stressful time for everyone, and just getting some nature time in with your family. When I was younger, I took my freaking Toyota 2000 Toyota Camry, loaded that up with all my tent camping stuff, and would just go camp with friends. And that was before I knew about BLM land. And free camping. I was paying for spots, which was great for a toilet, but had I known about free camping areas, oh my gosh, that would have been so cool. That probably would have been bad, but, because I was young and dumb and did stupid things, but. I know a lot of people are gonna, give us some guff for taking it easy for the rest of the year, but we promise if the rest of the year goes like the last 3 days, then you guys are in for a wild ride. Why? You shouldn't even say 3 days. I don't know, the last month has been a wild ride. And we just want chill vibes. We want to encourage people to get out there and camp and RV and go hiking. We didn't want all this drama and crazy shit happening. We did not want this. We were not trying to portray this at all. Good times, bad times, whatever it be, we're going to try and capture it. And some of it might be a little messy and a little bit crazy. This is our lives. Yeah.
Welcome
Welcome.
to the No Tomorrow Project. Give us a comment down below and a thumbs up. That seems to be helping everything these days.
Yeah, what do you do to help save on gas? Did you take out all the spare change from your car to make it lighter? Did you finally donate all those Goodwill boxes in the trunk of your car to make it lighter?
Eat less donuts.
Eat less donuts? Yeah. Just help each other down there in the comments. Talk amongst yourselves.
I'll be there. Bye.
Bye.